13.510 Sherry update video. You guys tearing up some trash, some stuff. Hey Otis, say hi.
Hello, how you doing?
So you're saying we're gonna be done next Wednesday or Thursday on this one?
Yes, sir.
Let's go back in the garage real quick so we can explain what we're doing here. So the garage, we get the roof on, correct?
Yeah, we got the roof on.
And let's go inside here. Can you raise that garage door real quick? Thank you, sir. We're gonna get that repaired too. You can see the old roofing stuff here. But you can see all the new stuff that we did here. Why don't you explain a little bit, Otis?
Yeah, first of all, we had to get these new rafters in here supported because it was kind of leaning. So we had guys literally were scared to go on the roof.
Yeah.
You know, so we had to get that braced up. And then we replaced it, some of the boards. We left the old ones, saved some money, just replace what we needed to.
And we got the roof on?
And we got the roof on.
Okay, and then, so now what we're gonna do now is on the outside, we're gonna get all this cleaned out, of course, but we're gonna get these garage door repaired. Like this is coming off. A lot of this stuff's all getting removed.
And then we're gonna paint it.
Paint it, yep.
And the one, this side over here is kind of in bad shape, so we're gonna T11 this side.
T11 is a siding that you can put on. So all this is coming off here, right?
Yes.
So T11 will look more like this.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is
like we're sheet this side.
all the way down, because underneath it just isn't worth doing anything with. It's just kind of not good. So you got good gutters. Let's go inside. And thanks, Otis.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Say bye.
Goodbye. See you Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
They're coming Tuesday, I believe.
Oh, okay.
So you see here, he's painting. He took this out. He's painting this. We're letting it dry. So this all got painted, and got the floor in here. That's your new floor. We're going to go ahead and put a new. It's not on the quote, but we're going to put a new countertop. Thank you. All this got put in. Your blinds.
Working on the floor. You're going to be quarter round. We're not complete yet. We're going to get the quarter round on.
And then we got these covered. We got this cleaned and polished in here. You see here, this is all painted. Here's that flooring we're putting down. It's just a one piece, but what we do is we put it, every new tenant, we just put them in there. It's not very expensive, correct? $200 for this. So yeah, it's really good to do because every time a tenant comes out, you put this in, it looks new.
Right.
And this bedroom here, you're gonna paint. So this one here we can't do anything with, so we're just gonna.
So we're gonna paint this one, the others wherever it gets hot.
Yeah, clean and paint it. And then in here, here's a new subfloor we put here. And then there's your bathtub is all done. And they're finishing up this. They're getting all this done. But where's the toilet at? Right here. So here's your new toilet that's going in there and a vanity. And again, this is all done in here. Just little stuff. I'll turn the light on there so you know it works. And then let's go upstairs. So upstairs here we just have a few plugs and switches to put on. We're gonna put something right here.
Yeah, we're gonna put
the doors. Okay, where the closet was. So you can see this pretty much down there's just a couple plugs and switches. It's got to be put in here. There's one there, but he's gonna finish them up. This is gonna be a big room. Is there a door for this?
We're gonna have to make one that wasn't there.
Okay, so we're gonna put a thing there. It's gonna be similar, something like that.
Right. And we gotta put a couple of lights up here and up here.
Okay, yeah, this one and that one there, correct. Thank you. Just little stuff. The big stuff's pretty much done, except for the garage. We want to get that siding on. So we're focusing on this one to make sure that's handled. And what are we doing with the landing here?
The landing, we're gonna cover the landing part. And we're gonna paint the steps.
This is gonna be covered here?
Yeah.
Okay, paint the steps, okay. Oh. So here we go. So this is pretty much done down here. Same stuff. We got to service the heater. But all this is pretty much the same. So this is your hopefully last update video, so we can get the pictures and get this thing rented and get this thing finished out for you. So again, thank you. This is Brett with Fathom Realty. Please like and subscribe. 216-703-5740. We do it all for real estate and income real estate. Thanks. Have a great day.